What's up, you guys? The rocket ship is about to launch, I think. Kishu Inu finally building some momentum. It's been steadily bullish the whole day, actually. 141% increase in the last 24 hours. If we look at the 24-hour chart, it has been a little bit of a shaky ride, but overall, really nice upwards trend, guys. As we expected, just in the last hour, 10%, which is massive. The marketing is really working. The New York time is 13:24 right now. Still early in the day, kind of. We still have the whole afternoons and the evenings, though. So a lot of time to gain. 96,000 holders now, guys. Almost 100K holders, which is a great achievement. If we compare that to Shiba Inu, for example, which has been running way longer than Kishu, 350,000 holders. If you look at that, Kishu is not that far off, actually. And for a much shorter time, guys, I recommended this coin on the 21st of April. It just got released. It was like 4 days old. Kishu Inu just got released on the 17th of April. It just reached 5,000 holders and did their first marketing campaign, got listed on CoinGecko and stuff, and was going for that 10K holders, as you can see over here, on the 21st of April. And look at it right now, like it's almost at 100K in about 3 weeks, guys, less than a month. Today is the 14th of April. This was on the 21st of April. Think about how much Kishu Inu has already done. Such a short period of time. I keep mentioning it. Just in the beginning of May, 1st of May, they had 29,000 holders. By the end of today, it could reach already that 100K holders. You know, we still haven't seen that massive spike that I was expecting, but it could still happen later in the afternoon or maybe tonight after everybody's done with their work. It's Friday night, it's beautiful weather, so we could still see that. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated and see you in the next video.